The story of the 1955 Toyota vintage model begins long before it ever touched the road, and today on Old Studio Car we're diving deep into what makes this timeless machine such an unforgettable piece of automotive history. This isn't just a car, it's a snapshot of an era when craftsmanship, simplicity, and engineering ambition shaped the future of Toyota. As we take a closer look at its exterior updates, performance, top speed, fuel average, and current market value, you'll see exactly why this classic continues to turn heads nearly 7 decades later. At first glance, the 1955 Toyota carries a charm that instantly transports you back in time. Its exterior has a simplicity that modern cars can't replicate, yet recent restorations have given this model a fresh life while staying faithful to its original character. The new exterior updates are subtle but meaningful. The chrome detailing has been fully restored to a mirror-like shine, giving the front grille and bumper a refined presence. The body panels have been repainted using period-correct colors, typically soft pastel shades or bold solid tones that match the mid-50s aesthetic. The rounded fenders and the elegantly curved hood look even cleaner with the renewed paintwork, and the refreshed vintage-style headlights enhance that classic glow when lit at night. Many restored versions now include upgraded weather seals and polished window trims, which improve durability without affecting authenticity. The exterior maintains its beloved retro silhouette, but the craftsmanship of the latest restoration work makes it look almost showroom-ready, as if 1955 happened yesterday. Moving into performance, the 1955 Toyota wasn't built to be a powerhouse compared to modern standards, but what it offered for its time was impressive. Depending on the exact model variant, it came equipped with a small but reliable engine designed for smooth daily driving. Modern restorations often include engine rebuilding, upgraded carburetors, and refined ignition systems, making the car perform better today than it did when new. The driving feel is gentle and controlled, with a surprisingly stable ride at medium speeds. The suspension, though simple, handles road imperfections with that old-school mechanical honesty that many enthusiasts love. Its steering response is slower than modern vehicles, but the charm lies in the pure, unfiltered connection between driver and machine. You can feel every movement of the wheels, every vibration of the engine, and every shift of the gears, making the driving experience deeply engaging. Owners often describe it as driving history, not just a vehicle. As for maximum speed, the 1955 Toyota was never designed for racing. The original top speed usually hovered around 90 to 110 km per hour depending on the trim and engine. After restoration and minor mechanical upgrades, some models comfortably reach around 120 km per hour, but the real joy of this classic is cruising at relaxed speeds where the engine hums steadily and the car feels perfectly balanced. Pushing it beyond its comfortable zone is possible but not recommended, especially if you want to preserve the car's longevity. Fuel average is another point where this vintage car surprises many. The 1955 Toyota offers a fuel economy of around 10 to 12 km per liter in well-maintained condition. With upgraded carburetors and cleaner internal components, some restored units even achieve slightly better mileage. It's not fuel efficient by modern hybrid standards, but for a car from the mid-50s, it performs admirably and remains practical for weekend drives or classic car events. Now let's talk about the price update, because this is where things get interesting. The value of a 1955 Toyota vintage has risen significantly over the years, as collectors and enthusiasts continue to appreciate its rarity and classic appeal. Depending on the condition, originality, and level of restoration, prices typically range from $15,000 for base restoration candidates all the way up to $45,000 or more for fully restored, show-quality units. Rare trims or models with original factory components can exceed that range, especially at auctions where collectors compete fiercely. The 1955 Toyota vintage remains a remarkable piece of automotive history, blending style, charm, and character into one unforgettable package. Here on Old Studio Car, we celebrate legends like this, and the 1955 Toyota continues to shine as one of the most iconic classics ever produced.